Good day everyone, good day my followers and good day my viewers. I'm TeacherPatrick by name. So today I'll be taking you mathematics and this is a past question, JAMB 2017, question 3 and falls under the topic simple interest. Sit down, relax and watch. Calculate the simple interest on 6,500 naira for 4 years at 6%. A. 1,200 naira. B. 1,560 naira. C. 2,400 naira. D. 2,200 naira. Solution. So simple interest has a formula. I is given as P T R over 100. It's quite a simple formula, okay? But some students still face such type of question, okay? Now, P here is what we call the principal, which is the figure that is given here. Principal is given here as 6,500. T is our time. This is always given as years, 4 years, okay? R, which is our rate, is always given in percentage, which is what? 6%. Okay, so I'll inside the formula I, which is our simple interest, 6,500 times our time is 4 years times our 6% over 100. Okay, so get your calculator ready. So 6,500 times 4 times 6, and what do you have there? You're having 1,560,000 divided by 100. So once you divide by 100, this 0 will cancel this 0. This 0 will cancel this 0. So what is left there is what? 1,560. So you go back to your option. So the answer is option B. So option B, and that is our final answer. These are how you solve questions involving simple interest. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time again. Please like, share and comment. Bye bye.